name is Scibona. I've been with Wiseco since 1976. I've been here for 45 years. I started out in production when it was just 28 people. I ran everything in the shop at that period of time and moved up into the tool room where I was building punches and dies, and we were actually repairing equipment or modifying equipment at that period of time. We were building two-cycle, four-cycle, a lot of Marines, a lot of snowmobiles, a lot of motorcycles. We didn't get into the automotive line until I think the mid-80s. And we were there with our tooling and we started forging. In the meantime, we started building fixtures and specialized machines to keep up with the demand. As our demand grew, we had to build all kinds of machines, and then we got into CNCs. And from there, we went to some customized machines to deliver product. We made a lot of custom tools. One of the tools that I'm kind of proud of is our reamers. We have probably 250 tools that are valued at probably $6 a piece, and we maintain them all, along with building fixtures and tooling. Well, I have no plans on retirement. Right now it's kind of fun. I'm the old guy, and everybody comes and asks me questions, so it kind of makes you feel like you got a family. Yeah. So we're constantly improving since I've been here. Since I started in the tool room back in 1979, and we've been improving ever since.